Welcome back to Easy English with me. This is day 2 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Yesterday, you practiced basic conversations and useful English sentences. Today, we will talk about daily routines. You will learn how to describe your day in English. Speak with us. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin.
Repeat after us.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I start my day with energy.
I start my day with energy.
I enjoy my mornings.
I enjoy my mornings.
Excellent. Now let's listen to a conversation between Emma and David.
Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
That's good to hear.
David, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do.
Is it difficult to wake up early?
Sometimes, but I try my best.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I brush my teeth.
Then what?
Then I wash my face and take a shower.
That's a good start to the day.
What about you?
I usually make my bed first.
That's a good habit.
Thank you.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat fruit and bread.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I like eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink 1 cup every morning.
I prefer tea.
Tea is nice too.
What do you do after breakfast?
I check my phone and read my emails.
Then do you start work?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
That's wonderful.
What do you usually do during the day?
I teach English and create lessons.
That sounds interesting.
I enjoy helping people learn.
That's great.
Do you exercise every day?
Not every day, but I try to exercise 3 times a week.
That's good.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I usually go for a walk in the evening.
Walking is a great habit.
I agree.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10 o'clock.
That's early.
I like getting enough sleep.
Me too.
A good routine helps us stay healthy.
That's true.
Great job! You listened to a real conversation about daily routines.
Now it's time for shadowing practice. Listen and repeat.
I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I drink water in the morning.
I drink water in the morning.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I start my day with energy.
I start my day with energy.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I study every day.
I study every day.
I work hard.
I work hard.
I read books.
I read books.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I watch videos.
I watch videos.
I learn new things.
I learn new things.
I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
I am becoming more confident.
I am becoming more confident.
I speak English out loud.
I speak English out loud.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I keep practicing.
I keep practicing.
I never give up.
I never give up.
I am proud of my progress.
I am proud of my progress.
Every day is a chance to improve.
Every day is a chance to improve.
Fantastic work. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary.
Listen carefully.
Our first word is routine.
A routine is something you do regularly.
Example, I have a morning routine.
Repeat. I have a morning routine.
Our second word is breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Example, I eat breakfast every morning.
Repeat. I eat breakfast every morning.
Our third word is exercise.
Exercise helps keep your body healthy.
Example, I exercise 3 times a week.
Repeat. I exercise 3 times a week.
Our fourth word is habit.
A habit is something you do often.
Example, reading is a good habit.
Repeat. Reading is a good habit.
Our fifth word is healthy.
Healthy means good for your body and mind.
Example, I want to live a healthy life.
Repeat. I want to live a healthy life.
Amazing job today.
You practiced speaking about your daily routine. You learned new vocabulary. And you completed day 2 of the challenge. Here is your challenge for today.
Speak 10 sentences about your daily routine.
Tell us what time you wake up.
Tell us what you eat for breakfast.
Tell us what you do during the day.
Speak out loud and practice with confidence.
Remember, fluency comes from daily practice,
Not from being perfect.
Join us tomorrow for day 3.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
Keep believing in yourself.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, everyone.